Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday. Thought I would take a quick spin to my favorite practice ground. I know you guys have seen this before in several videos, but I try to get out and do this once a week. And the weather here is so nice. Probably in the low 70s. Nice breeze blowing, and so I thought it would be a nice little quick video. Hope everybody's had a great weekend. It's been a good one here. My youngest daughter was home from college, so that was fantastic, and we loved it. And we made all the things that she wanted to eat and went grocery shopping for her, so she would be prepped and ready for the upcoming week. And then yesterday was yard work day for me. It's been several weeks since I've been able to cut the farm and the grass around the house, so it was nice to get that done, and all the weed whacking. And there is probably, in my opinion, nothing better than having your grass cut, having the edging done, to give you some relaxing time on a Sunday. So here we are on a Sunday, and I'm just running down the road here to the local elementary school, which has a fantastic car line. With lots of twisties, and it just gives me a chance to continue to work on my cornering abilities, continue to work on keeping my eyes up through corners, and working the gearbox. Whew. Okay, that was bad. Too close there. A new roundabout there, so I think I took it a little bit too fast. You know, the funny thing is, I think I've put about 6,000 miles on this bike, and I'm still kind of getting used to the way it corners, because typically I ride the GS back and forth to work. I do ride this bike some back and forth to work, but the difference in handling between these two is exponential. The feeling, the weight, the balance is very, very different from the Triumph Speed Twin to the 1250 GS. So every time I get on this bike, I kind of have to recalculate, recalibrate the way I ride. But I will say that this bike is so much fun to ride, and it just feels so nice to me. Getting on a GS seems like kind of a ritual thing. This person's going to run the stoplight there. Oh, surprisingly they stopped. To me, like, the GS requires like a whole process. Excuse me. And this bike, you just swing a leg over, get on, and go. And that may just be like kind of me thinking that, but it just seems like the perfect bike to hop on and take a ride. Okay, so here we are, and again, a disclaimer is I am pretty much not a great rider in the corners, but we're just going to ride it for fun and practice on keeping our eyes up. Faster to the turns, and we'll gear down through here because I am not the best rider that ever has graced the planet, but it is kind of fun. Here we go on the straightaway. Such a great little fun course to ride on the weekends when school is out. And then we'll take a right here by this big rock thing. Not sure what that is, but whatever. Got a big. And like I said, I'm not the greatest rider out there in any stretch of the imagination, even though I've been riding for 20 plus years. So then we'll run it backwards. Eyes up, and here we go into this turn here. Eyes up, eyes up, eyes up, and power out through. So there we go. Always a fun ride. And actually, I think I'm going to turn around and just do it one more time for fun. See if I can nail the corners a little better than I did last time, especially going into that last parking lot there. I know this doesn't probably look like a hard lean, but it is pretty tight. Just try to do a little better discipline on this ride. Edge, down shift, eyes up, and okay, this is where I took it a little too wide last time, excuse me, so it won't go in quite as hot. There we go, drag a boot, okay, stay in the line, and come out. Boot a little closer in, oh yes, perfect. nice little bump right here. Ba-doom. And then we'll run it backwards one more time. Downshift. Take it back around there. Much better. Chris, much better. And here we go. We'll keep eyes up. And we'll take it in around there. Downshift here. Coming in a little hot, but I'm gonna trust the tires. You know, that's one thing I was thinking about is, you know, trusting the tires you're on. Okay, here we go. All right. So, let's take a look and see where we are. So again, I'm no great sport rider. Obviously here, not getting over to the edge. There, these are the Metzler Road-Tech tires. On the back, I have done some leaning, so I'm, you know, close there. Chicken strip, I guess, is gone, but all in all, it's a fun little ride. And it's very close to where I live, so I can just pop out here on a weekend day and have some fun. So again, hope everybody had a great weekend. I've not done any riding this weekend. And I think I've said this before, that because I ride so much during the week, sometimes on the weekend I just want to take a break. And when you got stuff to do around the house, you just got to get the things done that you got to get done. So going to be a busy week at the Thruxton household. So my oldest daughter, who is getting ready to start her job with a Big Four accounting firm, she starts next week, and she's coming home on Monday, which will be fantastic to get to see her, hang out for a few days, and just enjoy having her around. And my youngest daughter came up from University of South Carolina Honors College, and she made the trip up for the weekend. So I don't know, as a dad, how much better it gets than that. Have both your daughters visiting over the same 3 or 4 days. That is just fills my heart. And yesterday I got to work on some tunes that I was recording in the studio, and got to lay down some bass tracks, drum tracks, and lead tracks, and I posted that on a video that I posted earlier this weekend. Just kind of seeing how it fit in and playing around with my YouTube channel. So today, hopefully, I'm going to add 2 rhythm guitar tracks, doubled with different amps, to see how that layers in on the tune. So no vocals or lyrics yet, just kind of something that's been running around through my head. So it's nice when you can go downstairs to the studio, fire up the MacBook, and just lay down some tracks, things that are going in my head. So speaking of which, I was able, I know a couple of videos ago I was able, where I was talking about losing some of my files, and this guy turn in here. So I was able to go into my recently used document folder, and I had a lot of files that were in there that I thought I had, quote, lost. So I tried, my biggest concern was really the music stuff, and you know, trying to rebuild some of those riffs that just run through your head at random times. So I was able to get back at least some of those tracks, and have started back rebuilding some of those music files. So it does take a while, but I'm super happy that I didn't lose them to forever gone. So anyhow, here we are, back at home, my beautifully cut yard. I mean, in my opinion, but you know. And I hope everybody has a fantastic Sunday and enjoys the time out, and is able to get ready for the week to come.